Steve,
Hi.
go inside my car and reach inside the package.
What else?
Through the driver window. Through the driver door.
Reach for what?
Reach for the package inside.
Of course.
There's surprise one. This we broke at Baja.
This shit out.
Then the package.
You broke a camera. Oh, no, you didn't.
A camera? No, I have the the camera stay here. Remember how we took out the cassette from the cassette player for the buttons?
Oh, would you look at that?
Right? I'm gonna put that shit on. Oh, and then yeah, flip up the light bar switch. I have no idea, buddy. I went to turn it on and it was just loose already. I already tried screwing it in. There's no screw. I already bought another one. It's right here.
I know. I saw the package in the table.
Well, no, I took it out. It's right here.
Bro,
Boom.
I rammed it in there. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh. yeah. I'm gonna take that shit off. Luckily, it's just that.
Yeah.
So it's 2 bolts.
Oh, you got the little racing looking one. Okay.
Yeah, the gracing looking one. The carbon, that carbon fiber, bro. Yeah, it matches my other one.
Oh wow.
And this is the slot where the cassette player used to be. Now this will go in there for storage.
This one is.
Well, we gotta take apart the door panel. No, that's not, no, don't do that. Trust me, that's not how it goes. I gotta undo this shit, take this little piece off, and then just lift it up and bring it back. I'm aware it's broken, Steve. Thank you for telling me. Also gotta get a new mirror. Look at that shit. Well, you already knew it was broken.
Oh, but I thought you broke it more.
No. When it
It
fell
off again.
Yeah, it did fall off again.
But no.
No, we were in soft dirt already.
I guess it's like one of those iPhones that the screen's already broken and it just doesn't get more broken in a row.
Alright, well, there's your surprises for the day. Oh, look who's here.
No, fuck you. Drive that way. I'm gonna put my Jeep on top of your car.
These are fake. Look at this. Look at this. Oh! What's up, George?
What?
What's up, George?
Oh, he's a faker.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Where do you have it going through?
Just through one of the holes. Look.
Oh, you little fucking bastard. So, are we supposed to be able to lift it? Hey, bro.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You mean I'm gonna drag you with this shit?
Ay, pendeja. What's up, buddy? Alright, so the easy stuff is done. Oh, not this. This is not the easy stuff. Got the new switch on. Works like a charm. Boom. And so this little storage cubby, it's supposed to be a little bit farther forward, you know, up to the front. But since I have my switches right here, they get in the way. I didn't want to mess with it, so I just pushed it as far back as I could. Luckily, if anything falls, there's another storage space right here, and it's the same thing, so it'll be fine. I'm not too worried about it. So we'll tackle this issue tomorrow, and we'll probably see you guys then. Alright, so today's the next day. We already started how I showed you guys. Yesterday we fixed the switch that was broken, and we put the little storage cubby in here. I already took the door panel out. Pretty much all it is you take off the top piece from the door, you take off this trim piece, take off this door handle piece, and you take off this lock piece. And then all you do is you pull up on the door, pull it out, disconnect the light, disconnect this one over here, which is not supposed to be loose, but it is because my shit's all blown. Yeah. And that's it. Easy to get it out. Now, we're trying to get to the opening shit, but the fucking motor's in the way and everything, so we'll update you guys in a bit. So this is where I'm at. I actually had to order a whole new door handle because I broke a metal piece that we can't replace. It has to be with the whole door handle. So this is how the truck is sitting right now. Basically, you're gonna leave it like this until Wednesday. Today is Thursday, so in about a week I'll come back. I'm gonna leave it parked in my house. So right now it's locked. Pull this up, unlock, push this one down, open the door. Leaving my door panel here because there's no point putting it all back together just to take it off again if I know for sure I'm gonna take it off. So it's all fine. We'll just replace the door handle, hook the points up to the locking one and the door one, and it should be good. This one's still good, but yeah. So to lock it, just grab this one and just push it down. Boom. Now you can't open it anymore. Good. That's just how it works sometimes. Okay, so it's about a week later, and my door handle came in. Just gonna put it together. Got the lock right here. This is the metal piece that broke off last time, right here. So it should be pretty easy. Here's the three 10mm bolts. Goes here, 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 and yeah. I'll update you guys in a bit. Okay, now it's done. Opens. Lock it. Alarm. Good to go. Everything on the inside is back set. We're done.